Hello and welcome back everyone. I hope that you're all having an amazing day. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So before I jump into today's video, guys, I just wanted to take a quick moment to wish you all a very happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. I hope that you achieve everything that you set out to accomplish in this year. So anyway, for today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the newest mystery box that Morphe released, and this one is called Best Swept Secrets, and it is a 20-piece face and eye brush collection. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this box, stay tuned. This newest box that Morphe released is called Best Swept Secrets, and this is what it looks like. And this box is supposed to contain a 20-piece face and eye brush collection. And let me tell you exactly what it says on the website. It says, "This surprise limited time 20-piece face and eye brush hashtag mystery box can handle anything like killer cut creases to selfie ready complexion." Okay, so that's the quick description they gave on their website. And I will tell you that this box was $45 and it's supposed to have a value of $144. Now, before we get into what's inside the box, I do just want to tell you real quick that you may want to stick around to the end of the video because there just might possibly be a giveaway. Hint, hint. Anyway, guys, I will tell you also that I did take a look inside this box already, and I did that because I wanted to be able to give you a price for each brush that was in the box. So I took the brushes out, I looked up the prices for them. So as we go along, I'll tell you what the brush is and I'll tell you how much the brush retails for on Morphe. And at the end, I'll give you the total value of this box. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and dive in. Again, real quick, this is what it looks like. And this did come inside of another box, so. Okay, when you open it up, the brushes are inside of the box like so. And there are quite a few. There are 20. So we're going to go ahead and pull these out, and I'll show you each one real quick. Okay, the first one I'm pulling out of here is the R35, and this is the Tapered blender brush. And that's what that looks like inside of the package. I'm going to go ahead and open them up real quick so that you can see them closer. And this is what the brush looks like outside of the package. And again, this is the R35 Tapered Blender Brush, and it retails for $7. The next brush I'm pulling out is the E7 Angled Buffer Brush, and that's what that looks like. And this is what it looks like outside of the package. This would be a really nice brush to blend in foundation. That's what I would use it for. Okay, and again, this is the E7, and it retails for $13. The next brush I'm pulling out is the M518 Crease Fluff Brush, so another eye brush. And that's what it looks like outside of the package. This brush is really soft, and I believe the ones with the white bristles like this are the natural hair bristles. And this, again, is the R518, and this one retails for $7. The next brush we're pulling out is the Y6 brush, and this has a pretty gold handle on it. Pop that out for you. This is what that looks like outside of the package. And this is a Pro Flat Buffer Brush, so this is good for buffing in foundation or whatever else you want to use it for, but that's what I would use it for. And this retails for $10. The next brush I'm pulling out is another gold brush from Morphe, and this one is the Y11, which is the Deluxe Pointed Contour Brush, and this retails for $8. Okay, next up is the M530 brush, and this is the Contour Blender Brush. Okay, this does look nicely shaped for contour, and that's what that looks like there. The bristles on this is really nice. I really like this brush. I like the shape of it, and I could definitely see using that for contour. I would even possibly use it for highlight. I know it's a little big, but I would possibly use it for that. But anyway, this again is the M30 Contour Blender Brush. I'm sorry, the M530 Contour Blender Brush, and it retails for $11. The next brush I'm pulling out is the M421, which is a mini concealer brush. And that's what that looks like there. Go ahead and pull it all the way out. And it's nice and tiny. This really would be great for putting concealer on blemishes or even around the eyes if you wanted something really precise. And this one retails for $4. Next up we have the M461, the Duo Jumbo Crease Brush. And this one retails for $7. Let me go ahead and show you the bristles on it real quick. There you go. They say this is a crease brush, and I'm sure a lot of people use it for that. It would probably be a little too big for my taste for the eye area, but it feels really good. It's a nice brush. The next brush we have is the M495, which is the Duo Deluxe Fan Brush. Look at that. That is a nice big fan brush, and the bristles feel really good. I use these to like dust powder off of my face and sometimes to highlight, but mostly for like getting powder products off, like excess. And this one retails for $11. Next up, we have the Oval Lip Brush, and it's the M170-8. And this one retails for $3, and that's what that looks like. I know I'm going through these rather quickly, guys. I'm just trying not to make this video too long. I just wanted to show you what came in the box, so if you're interested in grabbing one for yourself. I'm not sure if all the boxes contain the same products or not. I haven't seen any other videos on this particular box. Next up, we have the Morphe R35 brush, and this is a deluxe blender brush, and that's what that looks like. I'll show it to you that way as well. And this is nice and long. I think that would be good for like kind of some little bit of precision if you wanted to get into the crease and blend a little bit there. I do kind of like this. I don't have a brush like this, so this will come in handy. And this brush retails for $9. Next up, we have the Y5 brush, which is a Pro Tapered Blush Brush. And that's what that looks like. Again, another one with the gold handle. I think these handles are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, see the bristles from that area? And this would be really nice for brushing on some blush. And this retails for $10. Next up, we have another eye brush, and this is the M513 Round Blender Brush. And this is what the M513 looks like, and that's the tip for you. And this actually retails for $7. We still have a few more brushes to go. Next up is the M507, which is the Pointed Mini Blender Brush. This is a really nice little tiny brush there. Look at the brush head on that. Very nice. I really like that. And this one retails for $7. Again, let me go ahead and show you that. This is a really, really nice brush. I like little brushes like this when I'm doing my eye makeup. They just make for a more precise application for me. All right, next is the M503 brush, and this is the Pro Firming Blending Fluff Brush. And that's what that looks like inside the package. And that's what it looks like. This is the tip of it. And this retails for $7. We got a lot of eye blending brushes in here, which is really nice. I can never really have too many brushes for my eye makeup. But there are some decent face brushes in here as well so far. So I'm really liking this box. If you're in need of brushes, this would really be a good box to grab for the price. For 45 bucks and you're getting all these brushes, you really can't go wrong. All right, so next up we have the R36, which is a pointed highlighter brush. This is what it looks like. And this retails for $9. It's a really nice brush. Next up, we have the E24 brush, which is a bullet crease brush. I love that tip. I love using brushes like this to get really defined in my crease. Can you see that? I'm trying to make it so. There it is. Very nice brush. Love the point on that. And this one retails for $7. Okay, just a few more to go here, guys. The next one we have is the M562, which is a tiny crease blender brush. Here's what that little guy looks like. Very, very tiny, very, very tiny. I like that. Look at that. Nice. And this one retails for $5. Okay, we're down to the last two. The next one is the M496 brush, which is a duo lash fan brush. I have a couple little brushes like this, I must tell you, but I never really use them. So that's what that looks like. And this one retails for $3. And the last brush that we have in the box is the M433 Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush. Here's what that looks like. And this one retails for $7. Okay guys, so that was all 20 brushes that were in this box. And like I said, the cost of the box was $45 and the value was supposed to be at least $144. And when I add everything up, the value actually came to $152. So it's actually a little bit more than what they advertised, which is nice. And I think it's a nice selection of brushes. You have eye brushes, you have face brushes, you have your blush brush. So it's a real nice variety. And like I said, if you're someone who's short on brushes and you really need to restock your brush supply, this would be a good box to grab. So what did you guys think of the box? Is it something that you would consider purchasing, or is this a pass for you? Let me know down in the comments below. Now I know toward the beginning of the video I did say that there may possibly be a giveaway at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and talk about that. So guys, I do want to do a giveaway from some of the products that I received in the other Morphe mystery boxes. So what we're going to give away is the following. We're going to give away these 3 brushes here. Let's show you those. Which is the M461, the Duo Jumbo Crease Brush. We're going to give away the M707, the 3/4 Oval Foundation Brush. And we are going to give away the R11 Deluxe Oval Shadow Brush. And I'm also going to give away the Copper Spice palette here. Let me go ahead and open that up so you can see what that looks like real quick. Okay, that's the 25A Copper Spice eyeshadow palette. So we're going to give that away. And we're also going to give away the 350S Nature Glow Shimmer palette. So let me let you guys take a look at that real quick. Okay, that's what that looks like. It's a really pretty palette. I really do like this. So we're going to be giving this away as well. And we're going to be giving away the Morphe Lip Crayon in the color IRL. And that's what the color looks like on there. I'm not going to go ahead and take that out. Okay, so what do you have to do to be entered into the giveaway if you're interested? You need to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Give this video a like. And leave a comment down below on anything you like. You can tell me how much you like the brushes, you did like the brushes, or you can, how's the weather? I really don't care. You can leave any comment that you like. I would also recommend leaving an email address or your Instagram name down in the comment as well. So if you win, you can be contacted. Otherwise, I'll just contact you via your comment. I'll reply to your comment with notification that you've won, and then we'll go from there. Also, this is not mandatory, but definitely optional. If you'd like to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, I'll leave the information down below for you. You can do that because that's probably where I'm going to officially announce the winner, since I do not have a community tab as of yet. And I will tell you right now, my Instagram doesn't have a whole lot on it, but that's going to change here very shortly because I am going to start posting on Instagram on a regular basis as well. So you just may want to go ahead and follow me so you can see what I'll be doing. But anyway, guys, I'll leave all the rules for the giveaway down in the description box below so that you'll have all the information that you need. But other than that, that's everything that I have for today. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to keep the giveaway open until the 12th. So you can enter the giveaway until end of the day on the 12th, and on the morning of the 13th, a winner will be announced. So that gives us about, what, 10 days or so? 10, 11 days, somewhere in that ballpark. But anyway, guys, that's all that I have for today. As always, I thank you for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I'd appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.